Hey coders, welcome to DevByteSchool Day 9 session of Mastering in Angular. So today we are going to see what are the routes and how do we implement routing into Angular. So basically Angular provides a single page application which is possible via dynamic routing. In traditional way, when we are trying to switch from one page to another page, there is a page refreshing. But Angular follows component based architecture. So whenever we are trying to load any content, it just renders another component into your parent component. So by this way, router is changed, but page is not refreshed. That is the advantage of Angular. To understand this better, let's jump to our code and try to create routes into our application. So this is our home page. In order to implement routing, we are going to create one navigation bar. On the navigation bar, we will add three menus: home, about us, and login/register. And we will create two separate pages for about us and login/register. And we will see how routing is working. So first of all, let's go to the header and create one navigation bar. So we have added home, about us, and login menus. Let's save the code and refresh the page. Great. Now we can see navigation bar is added on the screen, and home, about us, and login/register three menus are there. Now what we need to do the next is when I click on about us component should be loaded, and when I click on the login/register, auth component should be loaded. How do we achieve that? To achieve that, we need to give routes for about us and auth. If you can see, app route is default route page in our application. We can create custom routes as well. But as of now, I will show you how do we add routes into app route. First, we need to define path over here. Then we need to define component. What component we are giving is about. Before doing that, we will create about us component and auth component. ngc on component. So the command for that is nggc common slash about us. Ng for Angular, G for generate, C for component, and common slash about us is the path. You can see inside the common about us component is created. After that, we will create one more component. Inside the auth, we will create one auth component. So nggc auth/auth. Auth component is created. Now we need to provide component for about us. Okay, so it will be like about us component. The next thing we need to give path for auth as well. So path auth, comma, we need to provide component name, which component needs to be dynamically loaded when auth is called. Auth component. Okay, it is important. Now let's check whether these routes are working or not. About us. See, about us works. Now let's try for auth as well. Auth also work. Great. Next thing we need to do is when I click on this about us button, about us page will be loaded. And when I click on login/register, auth page should be loaded. How do we achieve that? Now here, instead of href, what we need to give? We need to give router link over here and then just provide the path. Since on the click of home menu, I need to redirect to home page. I'm just giving slash in about us. I need to give router link as about dash us. We need to prepend forward slash for this. Same with login/register. Router link equal to slash auth. Now save this and we will see whether it is working or not. Let's go to the home page. Now if you can see on click of about us component is loading. On login/register, auth component is loading, and on click of home page, main page is loaded. But one more thing, if you notice, the URL is dynamically changed, but page is not refreshed. That is the magic of Angular. Component is dynamically loaded, but page is not refreshed. So after this session, you try to create multiple routes, try to give router links on your own. If you are facing any issue, just let me know in the comment section. We will try to resolve this. If you like our video, please share with your friends and colleagues. If you are new to our channel, I will highly suggest you to subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading new video, you will get the notification for that. We have also created DevByteSchool Telegram group. QR code is visible on the screen. Link is also provided into the description. You can join that group. We are going to share all our resources, interview tips and tricks, and all our new video updates over there. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, happy coding.